Well, this is day 3 actually. I've been trying to stay ahead of the pumping, but you can see we're right up to the mat right now. Just overnight, we got here in my official rain gauge, strapped to my knuckles, 4 inches. 4 inches overnight, and it's still coming, and it's still forecasted to come for the rest of the day. So I'm gonna get the pump going again here. Just try to pump to stay ahead of it. I've got a breach somewhere over there. See that nice little waterfall coming in? Not the lower portion, but look up at the higher section. It's really dumping in up high. So I got the shovel with me here. I'll get this pump going, and I'm gonna jump up over there and see if I can go figure out where all that's spilling in. That's coming in about as fast as I can pump it out. So let me get this going, get to pumping, but it'll be a day of running out here in the rain and babysitting the water pump just to keep this thing unloaded. I could drag the pump up on the shore and then just ride it out, but I got the gas, I got the time, might as well pump and stay ahead of it. So here's the culprit. You can see I've already got it pretty well cut off. That's just a little bit of rainwater still trickling in, but it was running in pretty heavy right here. And all this is just that one little odd low spot. Here's my levee here, and then it gets low and the levee over there. I actually patched this spot yesterday. It's spilling over just a little bit. But I didn't patch all of it. Since we had 4 inches of rain in the last 12 hours, the water level out here in the woods is just that much higher, you know, 2 inches higher. And you can see if you look out there, it might be hard for you guys to tell with your perception on the camera here, but the water's moving pretty fast actually. It's moving pretty quick to the right here, which for me is the northwest. You can kind of look out at some of the bubbles. You can see the progression of the bubbles scoots to the right pretty quick. So it is moving pretty fast because it's at a higher level. The lower it gets in the woods, the slower it moves and the longer it takes to drain, but whatever. Hopefully this will hold. I've got 2 inches of freeboard on here now, so as long as we don't continue to get downpours, even if we just get little showers, see it's stopped right now, so even if we just get a little shower here and there and it rains an inch at a time, that's okay. This will keep up, but it can't keep up with real fast, you know. So anyway, just thought I'd show that to you. I'm going to run around the edge of the pond here. This historically has been my low spot, and I've just never really been able to get the excavator in here to patch it. I have to come in right there on the edge, and it's all actually washed out since the last time I drove through here a year ago. This is all washed in really bad. But it wouldn't take but, you know, 2 buckets of dirt, 2 or 3 buckets of dirt right here would patch this whole thing up. But just get complacent. I wasn't used to it spilling over, so cutting this off will help a lot because it was running in about as fast as I could pump it out. So this will help me get ahead of it as long as the rains back off a little bit, but it's forecasted to rain all day. We shall see. We're up to 9 inches in 3 days. Isn't that pretty? Sign of progress right there. Signs of progress.